up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Charmy here, and I'm coming to bring you a DIY video. If you are new to my channel, hello, welcome. My name is Charmy, and I do videos on beauty, lifestyle, and fashion. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, what you been up to? If you haven't already, go ahead and make sure you hit that subscribe button, as well as y'all continue to always hit the thumbs up button on each and every one of my videos. I love you and I love the support. So I will be using a pair of old Walmart jeans, and as you can see, they are extra tight, so I'll probably be giving these jeans to my daughter. So for the materials you're going to need, of course, you're going to need any pair of jeans. They could be brand new or whatever you prefer. You're going to need, I'm using a paper plate, something just to put the paint down on top of. You're going to need some bleach. You're going to need a cup to put, or some type of container that you don't mind putting bleach in. You're going to need some white paint or whatever color paint of choice, and some paint brushes, as well as some type of bags or something to stuff inside the jeans. So here you see me beginning to go ahead and stuff the jeans. Now, one thing that I did learn, y'all, don't really stuff. As you can see, if you have a really big bag, try to fold that inside it, but just make sure it's covering most of the jeans, because you don't want any of the bleach to seep through to the other side and ruin the other side of the jeans. That's unless you want the lightning print on both sides, but for me, I just wanted it on one side. So go ahead and stuff both sides of the legs with some plastic bags, and then you're good to go. Next, I went ahead and poured the bleach in a cup, and then I'm going to take a paintbrush, which isn't really a thick paintbrush, but it's more so on the wider side, just to give me the outline of the lightning stripes. Now, as y'all begin to put the bleach on the jeans, you're not going to see the bleach starting to fade the jeans until over time. As you can see now, it's beginning to start to fade. So what you want to do is go ahead and continue to place the bleach over top of your supposed to be lightning bolt stripes until you get it to the light color of whatever you're trying to go for. So for instance, if you want to stop right here and you don't want the outlining of your lightning bolt to be that bright, then you can stop right here. But for me, I wanted it a little more brighter, so I continue to go over top of the bleach that I've already placed in on top of the jeans until they were the nice white color that I would like. And then you want to go ahead and do the same for the next leg. Next up, you want to go ahead and place some paint onto the paper plate, and then I begin to take a very thin paintbrush, and I'm putting just a little amount of paint on the paintbrush, and I'm making thin lines within the bleach that was already placed down. You want to make sure your lines are thin. Don't try to completely color in the whole bleach lines, because you want that to be like the outlining of the lightning bolt stripe. So you basically just want to see a very nice, crisp, white, thin line inside of the bleach. That will make the lightning stand out more. So what I did is I went ahead and I was doing this in very small sections. Yes, I'm speeding up the video because this would be a very long video if I didn't. But I'm actually going in very small, maybe about an inch. I'm putting down of the white paint, and I'm making sure that the tip of the paintbrush is very coated as I'm going over the top of it. And then you want to just go over all of the little bleach lines and let that first coat dry. I did end up doing 2 coats of the white paint to make it very more vibrant, because at first this very first coat isn't very vibrant. Now y'all will be honest, this did take way longer than I expected, but nonetheless, in my opinion, I think it was very worth it. And this is the final result. Y'all really love these jeans. They were very easy to make. They were very inexpensive, and I will be making me a pair because, as you can see, I gave them to my daughter because she can fit them better than me. But it's okay, we just gonna be twinning. I hope you enjoyed the video. Go ahead and leave a comment down in the comment box. Go ahead and make sure you hit that subscribe button. And also, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. It doesn't hurt to go ahead and always just show some support in any way possible. And until next time, may God continue to bless and keep you. Mwah.